so today we are actually at Hell's Kitchen and we came to meet Gordon Ramsay and have some delicious dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around. Les voy a enseñar cómo se ve la comida, lo que ordeno y todo. We made it to Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay's restaurant, and this is what the inside looks like. Our reservation is at 8:30, but we're arriving about 15 minutes earlier. Look, in this waiting area, they have a couple of his cookbooks. Okay guys, I am going for the crispy skin salmon. My husband's gonna get the filet mignon, and my brother is having prime noodle. Okay guys, this is the notes from Gordon drink, and it actually comes with a little note from him. Let's see what we got. And it says, this chicken is so undercooked that a skilled vet could still save him. Gordon Ramsay. Funny. As usual, I got some salmon, filet mignon, mac and cheese, Brussels sprouts, mashed potato, and the New York. Overall, food was delicious, cooked just how we asked, service was great. So, until next time, Hell's Kitchen.